कर्नाटक के स्वास्थ्य मंत्री दिनेश गुंडूराव ने कहा, बदला लेने के लिए धर्म के नाम पर हिंसा यह एक अनियमित घटना बनती जा रही है। उनके खिलाफ सख्त कार्रवाई की जानी चाहिए। नफरत का यह माहौल जो बनाया जा रहा है उसे अब नियंत्रित किया जाना चाहिए। हम इसे और आगे नहीं बढ़ने दे सकते। हमें सख्त कदम उठाने की जरूरत है। यह हिंसा किसी के लिए भी उचित नहीं है। यह अब्दुल रहीम एक निर्दोष व्यक्ति था जिसका कोई आपराधिक रिकॉर्ड नहीं था। लोगों के बीच उसका बहुत सम्मान था। हम जल्द ही आगे के फैसले लेंगे।
Atmosphere of hatred that is being built up, that has to be controlled now. We cannot let this go any further, and we need to take some very strong measures, and that is what we are discussing. We'll be again discussing with Chief Minister later on, and what steps to be taken shortly we will be announcing. My appeal is that this violence is not good for anybody, and using religion to kill innocent people. This Abdul Rahim is an innocent man who had no criminal record, no track record. He's a well respected amongst the people, and someone just for the sake of revenge, just for the sake of wanting to prove that we will not leave you, you go and kill somebody like this. What kind of humanity? Is this humanity? So the Abdul Rahim was a very not a small black mark against him, and he has been murdered brutally, and more people they wanted to kill, not just one person. So this shows what is happening to the mindset of these people, and we have to tackle that also. One is we have to take strict action as per law. Second thing, we have to also build up trust and friendship between societies. So we need to do both together, hand in hand. So we will be evolving some. We'll be taking further decisions shortly, and I'll also be going to Mangalore and we'll be discussing with them.
Today you going to
Not, I'm having further discussions along with Chief Minister, or along with Home Minister. Then we will take further. I will take a further decision. Okay.